haul. So this time guys, since it's year 2019 na, kaya ang haul natin, start na ulit tayo. Luxury bag haul part 1 ng 2019. So makakailang haul kaya tayo ngayong taon na to. Ilan kaya ang aabutin nating videos. Diba? Well, hindi ko ina-expect na pag-haul agad tayo ng ganito ka-early. Kanina lang po kami nag-open ng shop. And itong mga nakikita nyo na to is ngayong araw lang din talaga sila dumating. We're so excited na ipakita sa inyo yung ating mga bagong items. Well, konti lang ito ngayon, but magaganda. So, abangan niyo po yan, guys. And also, shout out sa mga kababayan natin dyan sa abroad. Tapos na ang holiday season para din sa mga hindi nakauwi sa kanilang mga pamilya. Para mabawas-bawasan yung inyong mga lungkot na hindi nyo kapiling ang inyong mga mahal sa buhay. Manood ka lang ng mga video haul natin and I'm sure na ma-enjoy ang mga mata mo at maglalaway ka sa mga bags na to. So guys, huwag na natin patagalin pa. Let's start our Luxury Bag Haul 2019 Part 1. So here we have a Givenchy Antigona in small size. Here, this is color brown and in silver hardware in goat skin leather. So here, look, this is still good as new condition. Even the corners, maayos po siya. No scuffings. The handle. So let's check the inside. So still with the card and the leather swatch. Here. And yung loob po malinis. Look. And this is the serial. There. So this one, this is year 2016. So ito lang yung slight flaw niya. Meron siyang rubbings here. Pero very minimal lang po siya. Hindi siya ganun kahalata. And also this, itong maliit na black mark dito. So, yun lang. Overall condition, maganda pa po siya. 16. And this is the, ano na to ha? This is long handle na siya. So, mahaba na yung kanyang shoulders. So, it comes with dust bag, the cards, and the leather swatch. We have Hermes Oran. So here, very nice yung color niya. Ang ganda. This one is size 37. So this one is used once only. As in, bagong-bago pa po siya. Look. Tingnan nyo po yung kanyang yan. So this one is in Epsom leather and super new. Look at the edges. Yan. So bagong-bago talaga siya. And this one is complete with the box and also the dust bags. We have another Hermes Oran. And this one is same size. It's size 37. Well, actually, isa lang po yung owner nilang dalawa. And this one is in patent leather. Kaya makintab siya. So, it's patent leather po. And this is slightly used lang po siya. But still good as new condition. Look. Here. So, hindi po siya yung common since it's patent. And also, guys, just a short information. If you want to buy Hermes Oran, well, let's say you are size 37, better, ang bibili niyo pong size is one size bigger. So, you get size 38 kasi they run small. I am size 37, pero fit sa akin talaga na size for this Hermes Oran is size 38. Etong gamit-gamit ko ngayon, look, this is size 37. Well, pinilit ko lang talaga siyang magkasya sa mataba kong paa. So look, medyo awas po siya. Kaya dapat talaga size 38. Ayan, nakita niyo yung mataba kong paa. Okay, let's proceed. So here guys, we have this Louis Vuitton multicolor black wallet. So this one is a limited edition wallet. So wala na pong brand new na ganito ngayon. But this one is still with this new condition guys. Look. So maayos po siyang nagamit ng may-ari. Yan, still rank A condition. Here, yung loob niya wala pang stain. And ito yung kanyang, yan, malinis din yung kanyang zip compartment. And meron po siyang 6 na card slots. So, yung date code niya, makikita natin dito sa gilid. That's TS1160. This means this wallet was manufactured year 2010. So, this one's complete with the dust bag and the box. Oh, cute! So guys, we have a Givenchy mini dome satchel bag. This one is color gray in gold hardware. And this is used once only, as in good as brand new condition. Look. So, halos wala akong makitang size of usage. Here. Ito po yan. So, it's also complete with the long strap, dust bag, paper bag, and also the cards and leather swatch. So, yun yung loob po, malinis. And also, this is the serial number made in Italy. Here. Here we have a Chanel Petite Timeless Tote Bag. This one is in patent leather, color orange, and in silver hardware. So this one guys, ang harap niya po, meron siyang mga small spots, yan. So parang humawa siya since it's patent nga po kasi. So may mga small spots siya. And dito sa base also. But yung likod niya, ito, makinis yung likod niya, maganda. Also yung handle niya, maganda po, maayos pa. Then dito sa kanyang may zipper area. So yun, may makikita kayo mga small dark spots. Yan. But this one guys is selling very very low. As in, super mura. Kaya dun sa mga naghahanap na medyo short yung budget pero gusto ng Chanel bag, this one is really a good buy. Here. And this bag is made in Italy. So, pink yung kanyang interior. And meron pa po siyang kasamang card. This one is Series 6. Ito yung kanyang serial number. Here. And yung sa loob na malinis naman yung loob niya. So, ito lang yung sa gilid. Meron siyang here. Ito. Yan. Parang may part na nagbakbak dito sa gilid. Pero madali lang ayusin yan sa spa guys. As compared dun sa price niya, since this bag is selling very very low. And look, it's still nice pa rin naman siya. Hindi naman ganun ka-prominent yung kanyang mga flaws. And we have this brand new Balenciaga small size frock embossed leather, and this one is in silver hardware. So it comes with a dust bag, mirror, and also the cards. So here. Ayan. And also the leather swatch. So this bag is a limited edition. It's year 2017 manufactured. And it's brand new po. Look. Super ganda. Even yung kulay niya. Ang ganda-ganda. So, check natin yung compartment sa loob. So, it comes with this long strap. So, maganda siya kasi pwede mo siya as body bag. Here. So, this one is the serial number at the back. Okay. Ta-da! So cute! We have brand new Alma BB in monogram canvas. Here. Yan, super ganda. So this is brand new with a long strap and also the key, the lock. Here. So it's complete with the box, receipt, and also the paper bag. So yan siya. So para dun sa mga gusto makakita kung ano yung pwede nyong ilaman sa kanya, check nyo po yung ating video comparison about those two bags. Para you have an idea what it looks like kapag may laman sa loob. So guys, we're done with the boxes, but wait, there's more. So meron tayong mga watches here. Look, so we have available 3 Rolex and 1 tag watch. So unahin natin itong tag. So we have this stainless steel Aqua Racer tag watch for men. This one is the chronograph and black face siya. So ito po is slightly used lang, as in makinis pa po siya. Look. Yan, and yun yung likod niya. Well, yung likod na dikitan lang siya kasi may nakalagay sa kanya before dito na parang tag. Yan. But the overall condition of the watch is still good as new condition. And ang brand new price ng ganitong tag watch is roughly around 300,000. But this watch is selling very, very low lang, guys. And also we have this Rolex ladies two-tone in champagne stick dial. Look. So this one comes, ito may certificate po ito. Hindi ko lang siya maisama ngayon sa video kasi naiwan dun sa house. But just message me if you're interested and I will send it to you. Yan. So here. Yan po siya. So makinis pa po. Makinis pa po siya. Yan. Look. So try ko siyang isuot. So this one is 26 mm. So yeah, yan siya pagsuot. 26 mm po siya. And also we have this for men. Ito, ang ganda nito, look. So we have this 36 mm Rolex Datejust two-tone for men in tapestry champagne stick dial. And this one is no lug hole. So this watch is here 1998. And look, makinis pa rin siya. Here. Ang ganda niya. Ito hindi common yung ganyang face. Hindi siya common. And also we have this all steel Datejust for men. Also 36 mm. And in silver stick dial. This one, ito may lug hole siya. But this is around 1991 to 1992 model. And yan, so still makinis and maganda po yung condition nila. So I'll try na isuot siya. So, okay din naman siyang pang babae if you want na bigger yung big face kasi since uso naman ng big face sa mga girls. But definitely, it's for men talaga. Yan. So guys, ang ganda ng simula ng ating 2019. For inquiries, just message me in our Instagram and Facebook account at Luxonlineph. We do layaway options. So we deliver and ship worldwide. So even yung mga kababayan natin dyan sa ibang bansa, pwede po kayo maka-order sa amin. So may live ulit tayo this coming Saturday, January 5, para sa ating raffle ng Netis. Sino kaya ang mananalo ng ating brand new Netis? So guys, until next time, bye!